Hello everyone, I'm Cai Wei. I come from East China University of Technology, and my report today is comprehensive economic evaluation of strategy emerging industries in China based on the model of entropy TOPSIS. And my report will start at four steps. First one, research introduction. And step two, research objectives. Step three, research method and results analysis. And the last one, research conclusions. As we can see in the picture, in the 12th five-year plan, China has scheduled the strategy engineering industries. Okay. The biological industries and the material industries and the energy industries. For example, these industries has made progress in the 5 years, and during the 5 years, the 13th five-year plan has begun. So the strategic engineering industries are very important in China. The development of strategic engineering industries is a major strategic development made by the central government of China based on the development environment at home and abroad. In line with the economic development situation and seeking to seize the commanding height of the international economic and technology competition. And my research objectives will include three parts. First, what's the effect of relevant factors on economic efficiency? The second, what is the economic efficiency of productions of strategic emerging industries in China? Third, what are the ways and countermeasures to improve the production and economic efficiency of China's strategic emerging industries? There are two objectives to achieve. The first one, we need to build a monetary-based system of the economic efficiency of strategic emerging industries to conduct in-depth discussion on the inflation factors of strategic emerging industries. Second, we want to optimize the input-output analysis of the economic efficiency of strategic emerging industries and to use TOPSIS method to improve the economic efficiency of China's strategic emerging industries. The weight of economic efficiency monetary indicators is measured based on which the industry statistical monitoring is conducted, which is a useful exploration for the existing research. There are 3 steps to do this experiment. The first step, building the index system, and the second step, using technical for all the preferences by similarly to an ideal solution. The third step, to compare the industries. As we know, the central ideal of TOPSIS is to select a positive ideal point and a negative ideal point and select the better correlated object by comparing the distance between the evaluated object and the positive ideal point and the negative ideal point. This is the core ideal of the TOPSIS. As we can see, this is the calculation of the TOPSIS. We use the method of positive index and negative index. As we can see, there are 12 index as shown in the index systems. And there are, as we can see, some indexes are input, other indexes are output. For example, the X1 refers to average numbers of employees of industries. The X2 refers to number of the enterprises in the industries. And these are input index. The others, for example, main business revenue is the output index. After the calculation, you can clearly get the answer. As we can see, among the 13 indicators in the economic efficiency monitoring indicator systems, the X is the fixed assets of strategic emerging industries with the largest weight of 0.13. Now, as we can see, there are 49 industries have been compared. This is the table 1. You see, the first industries are trend manufacturing, and the second industry is low-speed track manufacturing. As we can see, the last industries are automobile manufacturing. So, as we can get from the table, we can get a conclusions. The first, second category, 0.89, between the 0.9, it maintains 20th century, and the third category, it maintains 15 industries, and the fourth category, it maintains 16 industries. including electronic component manufacturing, basic chemical raw material manufacturing, electronic component manufacturing, communication equipment manufacturing, auto parts manufacturing, auto vehicle manufacturing. From the table above, it can be conducted that the sample period, the average level of the strategy emerging industries is 0.83. 34 industries are higher than the average level, and other 15 industries are lower than the average level. There are differences and imbalances between the economic efficiency of various industries in China's strategy industries. So that's the conclusion. We can say truck manufacturing industry ranks first, followed by the low-speed truck manufacturing, then follows metal casting, radar and supporting equipment manufacturing, trailer manufacturing, clock and tiny instruments manufacturing. This is my report. Thank you for your listening. If you have any questions, you can contact me by the email below. Thank you very much.